In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-step verification on LinkedIn Mobile. Two-step verification, also known as two-factor authentication, adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Whenever you sign in on a new device, LinkedIn will ask for a one-time code in addition to your password. This helps keep your profile secure and gives you peace of mind. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. Tap your profile picture or profile icon in the top left corner to open the side menu. Scroll down and tap Settings at the bottom. In the Settings menu, choose Sign In and Security. Here, look for two-step verification or two-factor authentication and open it. This is where you'll manage the extra security for your account. You'll see a brief explanation of how it works. Go ahead and tap Set Up. LinkedIn gives you two ways to get your verification codes: using an authenticator app or using your phone number. Both work well, and you can choose the option you prefer. If you select Authenticator app, you'll need an app like Microsoft Authenticator or any trusted authenticator available in your app store. Install it if you don't already have it. In that app, add a new account. Back in LinkedIn, you'll see a QR code on the screen. Use the Authenticator app to scan that QR code. The app will immediately start generating a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Enter the current code back in LinkedIn to confirm the connection. Once it's verified, two-step verification with your Authenticator app is active. This method works even when your phone has no service, as long as the app is installed. If you prefer using your phone number, choose the phone number option. For security, LinkedIn may ask you to re-enter your account password. After that, confirm your mobile number. LinkedIn will send a 6-digit code by text message. Enter that code in the app, and you'll see a confirmation that two-step verification is turned on. Keep in mind, your phone number can help others who already have it discover and connect with you on LinkedIn, and you control how it's used in your settings. That's it. From now on, whenever you sign in on a new device, you'll be asked for a one-time code, making your account much more secure. If this tutorial helped, tap like, subscribe for more quick how-tos, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next upload. Thanks for watching.